Open Google Chrome on your desktop. Type URL https://www.kritidevunicodeconverter.com/. Press enter. You will reach to the site. Click on Unicode to Krutidev. You will find page of Unicode to Krutidev. Type Unicode text. You will find text converted to Unicode to Krutidev. You can clear the text on clicking Clear Text. You can also send Unicode text to WhatsApp directly using Send to WhatsApp option. Click on Continue to chat. To send on Gmail. Click on Gmail. Add mail address and subject. For download Word file. Click on Word file. You can able to download Word file. Thanks for watching. Click on like, share, subscribe.